Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display and Brightness. Following that, click on this switcher next to Automatic feature. And as you can see, my switcher is blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!